Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Cook with Mollen. In case you are new to this channel, kindly don't forget to click that red button and join my team. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I normally make my porridge the simplest way ever, and I know you're gonna like this recipe. So guys, without other ado, allow me to get started. So guys, to make our porridge you'll need porridge flour, water, sugar. I have like a third cup of sugar, then fermented milk. You can use any brand of fermented milk so long as it's fermented. So next I'm going to add the flour into a cold water. So guys, this flour is a mixture of this porridge flour has different mixture of flour. It has wimbi, cassava and maize flour. So here I'm going to stir until the water combines well with the flour. I'm going to add a little bit. I haven't measured my ingredients. I'm just putting without measuring. Guys, I've already put the water on the stove. I'm just waiting for it to boil. I'm waiting for it to boil. Guys, as you all know, porridge is highly nutritious in our body and is very healthy. So here it's the water. I'm just waiting for it to get boiled. So next I'm going to add my mixture into this hot water. Make sure immediately you put your flour, make sure you stir immediately to avoid lumps. So I'm going to stir until the flour combines well with the hot water. And I'm going to stir until the porridge starts boiling. So guys, as you can see, my porridge has started boiling. So next I'm going to add the fermented milk. So that is the fermented milk I'm adding. I learned this recipe from my grandmother. She used to make this porridge for us when we were young, and it really slaps. Ilikuwa ina slap wadau. So next I'm going to add the sugar and then a little bit of water because my porridge is very thick. Then I'm going to stir until everything combines well. My porridge was a little bit thick, so I decided to add a little bit of water and the remaining sugar. So now I'm just going to leave it to boil. And my porridge is ready. I'm just gonna turn off the heat. So guys, my porridge is ready. I'm just gonna enjoy it with some sweet potatoes and mandazis, which I had made the previous day. So guys, you should try this recipe and tell me what you think. I know you are going to like it. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the love. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join my team. So guys, until next time, bye bye.